Morning, and now for something completely different. Welcome to Johnny Boy's cooking channel. Those that know me know I love to cook. So we bought a new little gadget on recommendation by my brother-in-law Bazza and long-term favourite subscriber. We bought a little toy. Apparently it is really popular at the moment. Everyone's buying these type of things. Handy for little small meals, one-off meals, bits and bobs. And if you want a little portion of chips or a little tiny meal, instead of whacking the oven on using up all that energy, these air fryers are meant to be really good. So my brother-in-law recommended this one, so this is one we've bought. Or young Julian's bought, made by Salter. It's called Aero Pro XL. Digital air fry, roast, I'm reading this off the box obviously, rotisserie, grill, toast, bake and dehydrate. If you look on the bottom there, you can do air fry, rotisserie, grill. You've got an accessory set with it there. So you popped around my brother's the other day, done a whole chicken on the rotisserie, absolutely bloody gorgeous. Just some of the things you can whack in this thing. I don't know how it works actually. It's just, all I know is you put stuff in it, you turn it on, you press the button and it sort of comes out cooked. So this morning we're going to do a bacon sandwich, first time ever. And me and Julian are going to have a little go. You've got a digital readout on there, preset, so you just press the button. So I'm going to grab Julian and we'll go for it. I mean, we've got it basically. I'm looking forward to doing a few little chips in there and bits and bobs, but as I say, you can do full chickens in there, small chickens, you can grill, you can do steak. If I read out the back there, you can do air fry perfectly cooked chips, roast chicken, garlic bread, grilled burgers, steak, you can even bake cupcakes on there, and dehydrated fruits. Why you want to dehydrate fruits, I've got no idea. A little accessory kit comes with it, set of trays, and the rotisserie for your little chicken. Little unit, let me bring the camera and show you around the little unit. It's got presets on it and obviously you've got timers on there, plus and minus timers because it's not your basic oven. Instead of putting your oven on, use up all that energy, plug one of these in and off you go. Right, better crack on there because we want something to eat, bacon sandwich. Right, let's bring the camera and I'll show you around the unit and then we'll whack some bacon and see how we get on. So there it is, this is the Salter air dryer. Presets on there, it's plugged into the mains at the back, packet of bacon. The only really weird thing is there's a on-off button which is sort of hidden. It's here somewhere. There you go. It sort of like dips in slightly, you can just about see it. And then we have your presets here, preset menu here. And it just runs through these presets here. And then you press start, I think. You open up. You put your bits and bobs on your tray, you shut the door and press the button. It's meant to be a lot healthier than normal cooking apparently because it cooks it in warm air, I think. I don't really know. We'll have a little go, see how it comes out. Not done bacon yet before, so we'll have a little try, see how it turns up. Right, first thing to do, put the tray at the bottom, a little bit of tin foil on top. So that way you just take the tray out, throw the tin foil away, keeps it nice and clean. Switch it on. If you can find the button, it's hidden somewhere here. A little bit of a nightmare to find the on button, to be fair. There you go, so the button's there. Right, I want to warm it up for 5 minutes. Button's there on the left, up and down. Go up to 200. There you go. Then buttons on the right, the up and down arrows on the right. Will automatically go into temperature, your timer. Bring it down to 5. 5 minutes, press start. That's going to now warm up for 5 minutes at temperature of 200. And then we'll be back in a minute, whack the bacon in and off we go. Oh, nice coffee that. So it's just alarmed out, well alarmed, which means it's done the warm up period for 5 minutes, which we'll put it on. I've just read the instruction manual, downloadable PDF. I'll put in my description below. Apparently when you plug this in and switch it on, the on-off, I can just about see the on-off button is illuminated. It is slightly illuminated. We've got a lot of sun coming through the kitchen window at the moment, so you can't really see it. So it is on. There you go. So let's just start on the pause button. Anyway, let's take this out. We put the bacon in, which is pre-prepared. So we put one there, one above it. You can't use that one, that's no rotisserie. So I've read the instructions. Basically, the buttons on the left, up and down, temperature control. Buttons on the right, up and down, timer controls. The ones with the 3 lines, 4 lines is presets, and then you've got the circle one. Don't touch that, that's the rotisserie. So close that up. Press that, turn it on. So we're going to experiment with the timers. We're not sure on 100% with the timers at the moment. So there's the 2 trays of bacon at the moment. On-off button there, you can see it flashing. I'm not sure how much this will show up on the screen. Up and down temperature controls there. Rotisserie one there, we're not going to touch. So temperature is there, and timer is automatically defaults to 15. We're going to bring that down to 6 minutes. Just what we've read, and we'll see how we're going to keep an eye on it. And then press start, and off she goes. Keep an eye on it. We'll pop back in a minute. We'll see what it looks like, and then obviously we've got to adjust it as necessary. So while that's cooking away for 6 minutes, I'll pop back in. I'm going to go and have my coffee and have relax. Apparently they're a lot better for the environment. If you only do small bits and bobs, why whack on a massive oven when you've got a little thing like this you can use? But it's meant to be a lot healthier for you because it's cooking it in warm air, I do believe. I might be completely wrong there, don't quote me on that. My daughter uses one all the time for her grandson with little bits and bobs for his lunch and breakfast, etc. and the evening meals. If you're just cooking for small little meals like that, if you're a single person, fantastic. There's just one or two of you. It's a great idea to use one of these apparently. And again, I think it's a great little unit. So far so good. It's the sort of thing you could take down your garden bar, your pub shed, and do a few little bits of food down there. You might have to consider getting one from down your shed. Key thing is, don't touch, they do get hot obviously, and you need air surrounding it. You get a lot of heat coming off here, all around it, so you need gaps. You can't keep it squashed up against the back wall or the side or anything like that. I'm going to go and finish my coffee off and pop back when the alarm goes off and see what it's like. I'll tell you what, that's cooking good in there now, and I can see the fat dripping on the tray. I'll bring the, there's a light on there, there's a light somewhere. There's a light bulb one there. It's cooking really, really quickly. Right, there we go. It looks like the top tray is done. So we'll pull that out with the oven glove. There you go, tray of crispy, nice bacon. What I've got to do now is put the other tray at the top, I think. Could have done them all on one tray actually, I think, at the top. Another couple of minutes. Right, that's done now, people. That's cooking lovely, look at that. We have to swap the trays around. It cooks so fast and efficiently. Open the door, it pauses straight away and stops. Just be aware when you take the tray out, obviously fat's dripping everywhere. So we don't need to go straight on a plate, I think. Just pull this out. The actual fat, I can take it off. Right, let's get some. What are we after? Some sort of cooking time. Look at that. Look at that, people. My first bacon sandwich done in the salter air fryer, whatever you want to call it. Tell you what, this cooking malarkey is quite easy. Right, bit of red sauce on that. Bit of red. What's that for? Was that the... I better not use that. That, my friends, is how you cook a bacon sandwich. Tastes lovely. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe for more. I think there's a handy little bits of kit. You can always look around, shop around, but as I say, this is recommended to us. But you might be able to get a cheaper one if you want to use it down your bar or your pub shed, down the garden. But very pleased, well impressed. Obviously this bacon sandwich took a lot longer than we thought because I was doing a video at the same time. Thank you for watching. It's gone lunchtime now. Please like, subscribe for more. See you again. I might cook a chicken next, a little video on that. Push the boat out, or sausages. Sausages then chicken, maybe. This cooking malarkey, mate. Bloody easy. Gordon Ramsay. Who's he? Gordon Ramsay. Eat your heart out. In all seriousness, that is really rather good. Good little machine. I've only had a couple of days, I've only used it a couple of times. Sorry, I shouldn't be talking my mouth full. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Many more videos to come. Bye bye. Good.